Welcome to WORxK Global News, your trusted source for insights on leadership, workforce development, and the future of work. Today's highlight examines why many employee development plans fail to deliver real results. While organizations often invest time in creating structured development plans, experts say the issue is not the planning itself, but the lack of ownership and consistent follow-through. In many workplaces, development plans are created, documented, and then revisited only during annual reviews. Without regular attention, these plans become static rather than actionable, causing employees to lose momentum and organizations to miss opportunities to build stronger internal capabilities. A key factor is shared ownership. Effective development requires both employees and managers to stay actively involved. Employees must take initiative in applying new skills, while managers provide direction, feedback, and support to keep progress on track. Regular check-ins also play a critical role. Ongoing conversations about goals, progress, and challenges help ensure development remains relevant and aligned with changing priorities. Just as important as practical application, learning only becomes meaningful when employees can use new skills in real work situations. To read the full article, visit WORxGlobalNews.com.